Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial where I'll walk you through the process of acquiring music for your iPhone without spending a dime. If you're keen on enjoying music offline without shelling out cash for premium services like Spotify or Apple Music, then you're in the right place. Stick around till the end for the complete lowdown. To begin with, you'll need to hop over to the App Store on your iPhone. Once there, search for an app called Documents and proceed to download it. This app will serve as your file manager and web browser for acquiring music. Upon installing the Documents app, open it up and follow the setup prompts. You'll want to grant necessary permissions and choose your preferred settings, particularly focusing on music and video options. Next, within the Documents app, navigate to the browser function. Here, you'll search for the music you wish to download. Opt for royalty-free music to avoid copyright issues, especially if you plan to use the songs for public purposes. Once you've found the desired music, initiate the download process. The music files will be saved within the Documents app itself. Now, if you prefer a more organized music player interface, you can opt to download a separate music player app from the App Store. Look for one that suits your preferences in terms of design and functionality. After downloading the Music Player app, you'll need to transfer the music files from the Documents app to your chosen music player. This involves navigating back to the Documents app, locating the downloaded music files, and then exporting them to the Music Player app. Once the transfer is complete, you can enjoy your music within the dedicated Music Player app. Feel free to create playlists and customize your listening experience to your heart's content. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily acquire and enjoy music on your iPhone without spending a penny. Happy listening!